Meaning of disillusioned.
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 Disillusioned. The term disillusioned refers to a feeling of disappointment that arises when a person's beliefs or expectations are shattered by reality. It is the state of feeling let down or disenchanted after discovering that something is not as good or ideal as originally thought. This often leads to a loss of faith or trust in something or someone that was once revered or respected. When someone becomes disillusioned, they may feel a sense of betrayal, confusion, or despair, as their previous beliefs and assumptions are proven false, leaving them with a sense of uncertainty and doubt.